Alright, hey, watch me take this old hymn and make it modern with just two simple syncopated strumming patterns. I love thee in death, and praise thee as long as thou lendest me breath, and say when the death dew lies cold on my brow, if ever I love thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. In mansions of glory and endless delight, I'll ever adore thee in heaven so bright. I'll sing with the victor crown on my brow, if ever I love thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. Alright, there you have it, one of the great hymns, My Jesus, I Love Thee. I'm going to break it down, every pattern, every technique I just did in the online school. Join me at easychordworshipguitar.com. I'll see you there.